So now I have launched the Godot editor and the interface looks like this, and this is going to be very similar if you are already a Godot user onto a PC platform. So the interface is going to be the same. Okay. And although before creating our project, I just want to take your attention to this, that if you are working on a mobile device, so maybe based on your resolution of your screen, you might find the UI, the overall editor UI, to be maybe it's too large or maybe it's too small. So what you can do is you can come over here in the settings menu. If you click that, here if you go to this display scale, so here in my case it is set to auto, and most probably the when you launch the engine for the first time, Godot will automatically configure the screen's UI size based on your screen resolution. But still we have the option to set it to something custom. Okay, so in my case I'll just want the auto setting. That's fine for me, but just for your note. All right, so now it's time to create our project. So let's go ahead and create it. So I'm going to click create. Okay, and let's give it this a name of treasure hunt. Okay, and the default location is basically inside the documents folder of my Android device. So you can, if you want, you can change this, but in my case I'll leave it as it is. And for the version control metadata, I'll set it to none, so I don't want that. And this is this new checkbox that has been added. It's basically, if you it's basically asking like if you want to edit the project right now or you just want to create the project. So for example, if I uncheck this box and if I click create, so now my project has been created, but the default behavior of opening the project will not happen. Okay, and before we close off this video, one more thing that I wanted to make you guys understand, that a lot of you guys gets confused between the asset library, which is over here, and the asset lib tab, which is inside the Godot engine. So basically these two tabs look similar, but they have different products, I would say. So basically asset library, if you are here under the project menu, and inside this if you switch to the asset library tab, so here whatever products or maybe the listing that you will see here, these are independent projects. Okay, so if you click and if you, for example, let's say try to download it, so it is not going to get installed in your project or within any project. This is a complete independent project altogether. Okay, so for example, if I want to use this, let's click on download and let's see what happens. So as you can see, I have already created my project. Now after it gets installed onto the local system, it is asking me to create a project, and I can give a path where I want to store it. So for example, if I, let's say, want to store it, and this time let me check this edit now button. So I'm basically asking Godot that, hey, install this project onto my device, and then just open this project for editing. So now you can see the project will be opened. Okay, give it some time for the project to load up. All right, so this is asking for some sort of update. So basically I have updated the Godot editor, but this project seems old, so it's just asking that if I want to update. So I just will click this restart and upgrade button, and now you can see the project has been opened. And if I want to play it out, so yeah, you can see now I am able to play this game out, right? But as you saw, this is something, basically this is a complete independent project. Okay, and that's what I wanted to show. Okay, now if I want to quit the project, I just have to go to the project and quit to project list. I'll be back over here. Okay, so this is our actual project that we had created. Now let's get back to the topic where we were. So basically this is the project that we are going to create. So our first project has been created. Now in the next video we will see how to import the assets into our project, and then we will, from there we will start creating our game. So see you in the next one.